Hello students, in this session today let us discuss about the rank of the correlation of in module 4. So this is another concept extension of your correlation, and like correlation you have read how to find the correlation coefficient, and we have worked out different kinds of problems, and we have also worked out regression analysis, and we have worked out more problems out. And in this session let us discuss about rank of correlation. So what is rank of correlation is? So in order to know rank, so what is rank of correlation? So rank of correlation as usually defined as Spearman rank correlation. So the correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson coefficient, Pearson correlation coefficient between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol rho. So Spearman rank correlation. The Spearman correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson correlation coefficient between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol rho. So suppose x and y are two variables. Let Rx and Ry are the ranks of the variable x and y respectively. Then di, the difference is di between Rx and Ry is Rx minus Ry, be the difference of a rank. Then the Spearman rank correlation is given by rho is equal to, the Spearman rank correlation is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square divided by n cube minus n, where di is summation, that is di is the difference between Rxi minus Ryi. So I takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes till the number of values of x and y given for us in the problem. So let us see few examples how to evaluate this rank of correlation. So first problem, 10 competitions, 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of a rank of correlation. So here the first judge and the second judge, there are 2 judges. So they are given the ranks in a beauty contest. The first rank 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8, and second judge has given the ranks as 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, and 7. So how many ranks are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 2 judges have given 10 ranks. So let us see how this problem can be solved. So given n is equal to 10, the number of ranks given is 10, and we need to calculate di, that is difference between the ranks. So summation d square is 1 minus 6 square. So if you want to see this difference between the rank, so let us observe the previous slide. So here difference between the rank 1 minus 6, difference between the ranks is 1 between 1 and 6, 6 and 4, that is 6 minus 4, 5 minus 9, 3 minus 8, 10 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 9 minus 10, 7 minus 5, 8 minus 7. So the same thing we have written here d square, summation of d square, that is difference, sum of the differences in the ranks given by the 2 judges. The 1 minus 6 square, 6 minus 4 square, 5 minus 9 square, what I had showed you in the previous slide, everything has been written till here. And on simplifying, summation d square gives you the value 25, 4, 16, 25, 81, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1. And sum of these difference in the ranks is 158. Now we know the formula to evaluate the rank of the correlation. Rank of the correlation is denoted by sigma rho, and it is given by 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n cube minus n. That was the formula given for evaluating rank of correlation. Substitute for n, substitute for your values, all the required values. N is 10 and summation d square is 158, and on simplifying these things we get the value of rho is equal to 0.042. So rho is equal to 0.042, that is our rank of correlation. Now let us see another example. 10 students got the following percentage of marks in two subjects X and Y. Compute their rank correlation coefficient. So here too, marks of 10 different students in two different subjects have been given. So let us take this as subject 1 and this as subject 2. Marks obtained by the marks obtained in these subjects by 10 students have been recorded here. So student 1 has got this mark, student 2 in one subject and the next subject. Student 2 has got this marks in next subject and this marks in the Y subject. Likewise, there are 10 students data has been given for us to evaluate the rank of the correlation coefficient. So now, let us construct the table which fulfills our requirement than doing like the previous problem. So let us consider the table which has all the given values of x. Okay, and the ranks given by the marks obtained by the students in the subject. Okay, that has been given the two subjects x and y, and the marks taken by 10 students have been recorded and entered here. So now we have to evaluate the rank to be allotted by us to those 10 students. So 78. So look at that. Among this marks for in the subject x, the marks have been recorded. The highest marks in this set of marks is 98, so which takes the first rank. So next comes to 90, which makes the second rank. Similarly, 90, and then we have 82. The next highest is 82, and which takes the third rank. The next highest marks is 78, which takes the rank 4. And next highest after that is 75, which takes the fifth rank, and then 62 takes the seventh rank, 65 takes the likewise you can allocate the marks. 36 takes the ninth and 25 takes the 10th rank likewise. Similarly, the set of values for y, it means that the 10 students who got the marks in y subject have been given here in this row. And now we have to allocate the rank for this also. So which is given by rank y. So look at the marks and identify the highest marks given there. The highest marks is 91, which takes the first rank. And 86 is the second top, so it takes the second rank. And 84 is the next topper, so it takes third rank. Likewise, fourth rank, fifth rank, then sixth rank, seventh rank, eighth rank, ninth rank, and 10th rank. So ranks were being not given for us, but marks was given. So we have allotted the ranks according to the topmost will get the first rank, and the decreasing order of the marks, the rank will increase. In the keeping this in the mind, we have allocated the ranks. Now let us find the difference in the rank, that is Rx minus Ry. So 4 minus 3. Rx is 4 and Ry is 3, which gives the value 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. Likewise, you are going to evaluate all the differences of the rank x minus rank y. And now make the square of the differences. 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 0 is 0, 4 is 16, 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0. Likewise, 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4. Minus 2 whole square gives us the value that. And we need summation of d square value to substitute in the formula. So which is equal to, summation is equal to 30. Recall here a rank of correlation formula, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n cube minus n. Substitute for summation d square, which is 30, n is equal to 10, 10 cube minus 10. On simplifying, we get the rank of the correlation rho, which is equal to 0.82. Take another example. Compute the rank of correlation coefficient for the following marks of 8 students selected at random in PUC and SSLC. So here again, 8 students data has been given. Their marks, 8 students marks in the SSLC and 8 students marks in PUC has been given, and it has asked us to find the coefficient of correlation. So construct the table. Given PUC marks, the 8 students who obtained the marks in their PUC has been recorded here. and the same 8 students whose marks in 10th, that is SSLC, is also recorded here. So now, based on the marks obtained in PUC and SSLC, we need to allocate the rank. So let us take first the PUC marks and allocate the rank. So when you look at the PUC marks obtained by the 8 students, the highest marks is 89. Highest marks is 89, so it takes the first rank. And next comes to 85, which takes the second rank. And next comes to 73, which takes the third rank. Likewise, we are going to allocate the ranks for all the numbers or all the marks obtained by the students in PUC. Similarly, let us allocate the rank for 10th marks also, that is SSLC marks also. So look at your SSLC marks of 8 students and allocate the rank. 92 takes the first rank, then 82 takes the second rank, 80 takes the third rank, 74 takes the fourth rank, 64 takes the fifth rank, 50 takes the eighth rank, 63 takes the sixth, 61 takes the seventh rank. So now we have allocated the ranks. Now we have to find the difference in the ranks, that is RP minus RS, which is given by D. The difference is going to be 1, 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3. And square those values of differences. 1, 4, 4, 0, 4, 1, 9, 9. And summation of this D square values is 32. And recall your formula for rank of correlation, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n cube minus n. Substitute the values and evaluate, we get rho is equal to 6191. So look at another example. 10 competitions in music contest are ranked by 3 judges. The 10 competitors in a music contest are ranked by 3 judges A, B, C in the following order. Use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of the judge have the nearest approach to the common taste of music. So slightly different from your previous problems, but still we can do it. So A is the first judge, B is the second judge, and C is the third judge. A has given the ranks for 10 competitors. The first competitor A has evaluated as 1, that is first rank, and second competitor has been assigned 6th rank. Third competitor has been given 5th rank. Likewise, the judge A has assigned 8 competitors as 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. And judge B has given the first competitor as the third place, second competitor as in 5th place, and the third competitor is in the 8th place. Likewise, he has given the different ranks for different competitors, the 10 competitors. And judge C has given the ranks for the rank for the first competitor as 6. Similarly, a second competitor, according to the judge C, he is in the 4th place. Likewise, he has also given his rankings for the 10 competitors. That was the given data. And now we need to compute row AB, row BC, row CA. And with, in order to do, why we are doing it is, it has been asked us to find which two judges approaches to the nearest rank. That is why it has been asked you to find out. So we have to find row AB, row BC, row CA with the help of the following table, where D is the difference in the rank. So judge A, he has given these ranks, judge B given these ranks, and judge C given these ranks. Now this difference, since ranks have been given directly, difference in AB. So difference in AB is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. On squaring, we get the answer as 4. Likewise, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 1 square is 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3, whole square is 9. 10 minus 8 is 10 minus 4 is 6, and 6 whole square is 36. So likewise, consider the ranks of A, consider the ranks of B, take the difference and square that difference and enter the values here. And this value, that is difference of AB, on squaring and summing, we get the value as 200. Similarly, let us find out the difference between the judges B and C, and the difference must be squared and entered here. So look at the judge B rankings and judge C rankings. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. On squaring we get 9. Likewise, 5 minus 4 is 1, whole square is 1. Likewise, you have to evaluate it for all these values of ranks and enter the difference after squaring here in this table. And summing all the differences, we get summation value as 214. Similarly, D square CA, difference between the evaluation of judge C and judge A. So, and enter the data here, and summing up all those things, we get the value as 60. So it has asked us to find the rank of correlation of AB, rank of correlation of BC, and rank of correlation of CA. And evaluate all that, enter the suitable values and evaluate it. We get rank AB is minus 0.21, rank BC as minus 0.297, and rank CA as 0.636. And it is observed that rank AB and rank BC is negative, which implies that A and B and C are positive. Thus, we conclude that the judges C and A have the nearest approach to the common taste of music. So, that is what has been discussed here. That is what has been discussed here, and it was asked us to find. So let us see another example. Compute the rank of the correlation of coefficient for the following data given the marks of 10 students in two tests, test 1 and test 2. The test 1 marks of 10 students given by 33, 56, 50, 65, 44, 38, 45, 52, 15 and 26. And test 2 gives the values. Test 2 marks of 10 students are 50, 35, 70, 20, 20, 36, 58, 75, 60, 55 and 26. It has asked us to find the correlation coefficient. So form the table, enter the values of test 1, marks obtained by the 10 students in test 1, and rank allotment. So highest marks takes the rank 1. So 65 takes the marks one, first rank, and then comes to 56 takes the second rank, and third rank goes to 52, and fourth rank will be for 50. Likewise, you can allocate the ranks on the basis of marks for the test 1. Similarly, enter your test 2 marks and allocate the ranks for the test for the 10 students. Now find the difference in the rank, and difference in the rank T1 and T2 gives us 2, 6, 2, minus 9, minus 1, 3, 4, 0, 5 and 0. Square and enter those values here, and on summing up the difference we get summation as 166. And to evaluate the rank of correlation, we have a formula which is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n cube minus n, and substituting the values for d square, n cube and n, and on simplifying we get the rho value as minus 0.066. So some more problems I had written here for your exercises. Try to work out each and every problem and understand the concept in a better way. There are 4 problems I had given here for your usage. Thank you.